In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add themes to Notion. Let's start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll find the Appearance section there, which is where the overall look and feel of Notion is controlled. In Appearance, you can choose between light and dark, or set it to match your system settings. Light mode keeps things bright and high contrast, which is great for well-lit environments, while dark mode is easier on the eyes in low light and can help reduce glare. If you switch between modes on your device during the day, selecting the system option will let Notion follow along automatically so you don't have to change it manually. With your global theme set, it's time to personalize a specific page. Select the page you want to style. At the top, you'll see the space for an icon and a cover, and these two elements do most of the heavy lifting for visual identity. For the icon, you can pick an emoji for a clean, minimal look, or upload an image if you want something more custom. The icon appears beside your page title, so choose something that reflects the content. If you're uploading an image, a simple square image works best and helps avoid awkward cropping. Keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly. Next, add a cover to your page to give it a more expressive theme. A cover stretches across the top and sets the tone immediately when you open the page. After you add a cover, you can reposition it so the most important part of the image is visible behind your title. Aim for good contrast between the cover and your text, especially if you're using dark mode, so your page title stays readable. Images with subtle patterns or soft gradients often work well and won't distract from your content. Take a moment to review how everything looks together. The combination of your light or dark appearance setting, your page icon, and your cover creates a cohesive theme that feels intentional. If something doesn't look quite right, try a different emoji, swap the icon image, or shift the cover's position until it fits the mood you want. Remember, you can always revisit appearance in settings if you decide a different global theme works better for your workflow. And that's it. By setting the appearance, choosing an icon, or uploading an image and adding a cover, you'll have a beautiful, personalized theme for your Notion page that makes it both inviting and easy to navigate.